Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to add alphabetic sequence number based on partner name first letter. So let's see about that. You can see here our module the partner alpha sequence. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to cells, go to configuration and see here this menu partner alpha sequence, click on and see here this letter A to Z. I want to set A and B. A for set 21 and B for 30. Let's save. Now go to customer and create new. I want to create Azure and save. So you can easily see here display 21 that we set for the specific alphabet. Now create brand name and save. So see here before set it 30, so also display here sequence number generated is 30. Thank you.